Sceye, the stratospheric balloon. Revolutionizing the world, Sceye is an innovative solar-powered airship hovering at 60,000 feet in the stratosphere, behaving like a tethered, high-tech balloon with unparalleled capabilities. In contrast to the free-flying balloons blown around by the wind, Siki can remain positioned over designated sites for long periods of time, providing vital services such as fast-speed internet connectivity to rural regions, disaster detection in real time, and climate data gathering. Composed of an ultra-thick, gas-tight body and powered by the sun, it's constantly on the move, day and night, refueling-free and ground support-free. Supported by the likes of NASA, Sceye leads a new era in sustainable high-altitude technology that closes the gap between satellites and ground infrastructure. A200 Aerobase. The A200 Aerobase is an emerging next-gen Russian military airship design to serve as a mobile aerial base for UAVs and drones. One of the ambitious Aerosmina project developments, the A200 Aerobase airship intends to transform airborne operations by interfacing huge payload capacity with extended flight duration. Designed to transport as much as 200 tons of drones, gear, and supplies, the A200 would enable persistent low-altitude reconnaissance, surveillance, and battlefield support missions. While still on the drawing board, the A200 is a revolutionary leap toward multi-mission airborne platforms that combine mobility, autonomy, and stamina for military and civilian use. Boeing Pelican Ultra, the giant cargo plane that never took to the skies. The Boeing Pelican Ultra was an innovative concept airplane created in the early 2000s by Boeing Phantom Works that was to be the largest cargo plane ever designed. As a ground effect plane, or ekranoplan, it would take off and land just above the ocean's surface, relying on aerodynamic lift generated by the ground effect to enhance fuel efficiency and carrying capacity. With a 500-foot, 152-meter wingspan and the ability to haul a whopping 1,400 tons of payload, almost 10 times what the C-5 Galaxy can carry, the Pelican Ultra would have outgunned the An-225 Mriya. It could cruise at 300 miles per hour, Mach 0.4, at low altitude, or cruise at 20,000 feet for long-distance cross-country flights. The Pelican was intended to revolutionize military logistics and ultra-heavy transport. Nevertheless, owing to technical difficulties, excessive expenses, and changing defense priorities, the project never got past the planning stages. Nevertheless, the Pelican Ultra is one of the most ambitious and visionary aircraft projects in the history of aviation. Eopter. The Eopter is a groundbreaking electric air taxi and personal aerial vehicle, PAV, that will revolutionize urban transport. Fly Now Aviation designed the single-seat aircraft for effective, environmentally friendly transportation within cities and suburbs. At only 360 kilograms maximum takeoff weight, the Eopter has the capacity to transport both people and light loads. Its electric power system is zero CO2 emission friendly, providing a green solution to conventional helicopters. With a maximum speed of 130 kilometers per hour and flight time of 30 minutes per charge, it provides a convenient and quick way to outsmart traffic jams. Small, silent, and future-proof, the Eopter is the next era in clean urban air mobility. JetZero Z4, the plane that will change air travel. The JetZero Z4 is a next-generation aircraft poised to revolutionize the future of aviation. Unlike traditional planes, the Z4 features a blended wing-body design, where the wings and fuselage merge into a seamless, futuristic aerodynamic form. This breakthrough boosts fuel efficiency by up to 50%, significantly cuts emissions, and enables ultra-long-range flights of up to 5,000 nautical miles. Inside, the Z4 can comfortably carry around 250 passengers in a cabin that feels more like a high-end lounge than a conventional aircraft. Backed by major names like United Airlines, Delta, and even the U.S. Air Force, the JetZero Z4 is slated for its first full-scale flight by 2027 and could Land Aircraft Carrier. The Xpeng AODD Land Aircraft Carrier is the revolutionary modular flying car that reinvents the transport of the future by integrating land and air travel. With a two-section design, this car has a durable ground module with a 6x6 all-wheel drive system for off-road travel, and an air module that allows vertical takeoff and low-altitude flight. What really differentiates it is its world-first automatic separation and reconnection technology, making seamless transitions between flight and drive. Fueled by an 800-volt silicon carbide extended-range powertrain, Land Aircraft Carrier offers over 1,000 kilometers of driving range, while simultaneously providing up to 6 airborne flights on a single charge. Beyond Aero BYA-1. The world's first hydrogen-electric business jet. Here comes the BYA-1 by Beyond Aero. The first-ever hydrogen-electric business jet concept, designed to transform sustainable aviation. Powered solely by a hydrogen fuel cell system, no batteries on board, the BYA-1 provides a robust 2.4 megawatts of clean electricity to twin electric ducted fans, with both power and zero emissions. Sleek, safe, and efficient, the BYA-1 will carry 6 to 8 passengers 800 nautical miles at 360 knots of speed.